Good morning. I am Michael Strydom, the CEO at Grab a Bite. We have joined Faster Capital's Raise Capital program in June of 2025, and the team has been amazing with their feedback, with the help they've provided us in locating weaknesses and problems in our pitch, in our gaps, so that we can better approach our investors and VCs. I'd really like to thank Faster Capital for helping us out to make sure that we do the right thing in order to make our business grow. We are currently looking for $150,000 to make our business fly high, because that's what we're going to need to make sure that we are grounding this business and that we are not moving. Faster Capital has been crucial in the building of our marketing strategy, and they've been very helpful with all the hints and tips they've given us and the direction they've given us in order to lure investors and VCs of companies. I'd like to thank Faster Capital.